Overview. Documentation is essential in the API industry. As an employee in an API manufacturing facility, you will use various types of documentation in the course of your work. One of these document types is called a Standard Operating Procedure, or SOP. SOPs help to ensure that all operations carried out in API facilities are controlled and in compliance with GMP regulations. API products are manufactured in many different stages. To ensure a quality product, it is essential that each step of each stage is performed correctly. In industry, it is common for a certain manufacturing step to be carried out one day by one employee and the next by somebody different. If employees do not have clear instructions to follow, tasks will be performed differently, and the quality of the product will vary unacceptably. In this module, we will explain why written procedures are required for the production of API products. We'll also describe the kinds of information typically contained in SOPs and explain the general rules associated with their use. SOP rules. Finally, let's look at some of the rules that must be followed when using SOPs. When using SOPs, you must only use an approved original copy of the SOP. Never make unauthorized changes. This ensures that only the correct version of the SOP is being used for the task. Ensure that you are using the most up-to-date version. Follow all of the instructions exactly. Remember that if you take a shortcut or attempt to make unapproved changes to an SOP, you run a high risk of making poor quality, ineffective, or even unsafe products. By following the correct approved versions of SOPs at all times, you will help ensure that both you and your company are always GMP compliant.